Lot, why did you linger? How about the sixth question? Lot, why did you pray such a selfish prayer? Did you hear what was read in verses 18 through 20? When they're telling him to run, look at his first two words. Please no, my lords. Indeed, now your servant has found favor in your sight, and you have increased your mercy, which you have shown me by saving my life. But I cannot escape to the mountains, lest some evil overtake me and I die. He's just been in the city, and evil's overtaken him. What do you think's going to happen in the mountains? Why are you so afraid to go there? Could it be possibly as bad as it's been here? Look where he wants to go. Look how he asks, see now, this city is near enough to flee to. It's a little one. Please let me escape there. Is it not a little one? And my soul shall live there. Lot still wants to be in the city, even just a little one. And maybe he's saying this, it won't be as bad because it's a smaller city. The name Zoar later is a little city. So it's named. Lot escaped to a little city. But he prays a selfish prayer here in the moment of just judgment, in the middle of a miraculous, angelic-led escape. Let me remind you what's happening here. Angels have grabbed the hold of his hand and his wife's hand and his daughter's hands and are running out of the place. He would have been destroyed along with the city. And what does Lot pray? Is he like Abraham, who hears the Lord's plan and says, oh God, you're righteous. Will not the God of all the earth do right? Yes, he will. And what does Abraham plead for? Will you please spare the city? Will you spare the righteous? Will you have mercy? Abraham's praying for others and not for himself. But Lot is praying for himself and doesn't think about others. He's not the intercessor like Abraham was, asking for mercy. He's self-centered, not others-centered. Please no are the first words out of his mouth. You know what he should have said? Just tell me where to run and I'll be on my way. That's what he should have said. All he wants to do is get to a little city, almost as if he could still have the city life. But he's going to make it sound better by saying, it's just a little city. It's not going to be that bad.